Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes loaded with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. The link's in the description below if you want to check it out. Now let us get into the EA we have for today for this video. This is the artificial intelligence trading robot, and right away I want to confirm this is built for MT5, and according to the listing you'll need to enable algo trading in MT5 to run it. On the marketplace it is listed at 30,000 US dollars to buy outright, or 219 US dollars for 1 year rental. The Expert Advisor is currently on version 4.1, updated as recently as July 20th, 2026. Now, looking at the description, this Expert Advisor is designed primarily around XAUUSD, which is gold, though it is said to be compatible with other liquid symbols too. It is optimized for the H1 time frame, all right, with M15 also listed as a recommended option. The developer recommends ECN style brokers, names like IC markets and VT markets come up specifically, and suggests a raw spread or true ECN account type for best execution. The minimum deposit is listed at $200 for the smallest lot sizes, and the VPS is recommended for uninterrupted operation. Now, what actually stood out, you know, or rather, what actually stands out to me is that the core of this system is described as an adaptive analytical engine. It is continuously scoring different internal parameter configurations based on recent performance and then shifting its own sensitivity toward whatever has been working, recalculating that on every new bar. All right. Now, in plain terms, it is designed to self adjust rather than run on one fixed rule set. Okay, position control is kept simple. One position at a time is recommended. Okay, and no martingale, no grid, no arbitrage. And the entries and exits are governed by ATR-based stop loss and take profit levels. So those distances move with current volatility rather than staying fixed. Okay, so there's also a five-stage trailing system. A five-stage trailing system that progressively locks in profit as a trade develops, and a spread filter that blocks new entries when spreads widen abnormally. Now, let us move into the historical testing. All right, heading over to my strategy tester right away. I ran this test on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, okay, over the past roughly 7 months. All right, from the beginning of the year, 1st January 2026 through July 2026. Okay, and the test was run on a $10,000 account. Okay, $10,000 starting balance. So here is what the numbers actually showed. Over that period, the EA executed 213 completed trades, and the win rate came out fairly high. Okay, right about 68 percent, precisely 68.54%. All right, and that's the overall win rate. Okay, but the win rate for the short trades were 68.22, while the win rate for the long trades were 68.87%. Right, so on the surface that sounds strong, but the account still finished down with a net loss of about $490. So the reason is worth sitting with. The average winning trade was about $19.6, while the average losing trade was about $50, more than double the size. So even with the wins outnumbering the losses, roughly 2 to 1, the losses were simply larger when they happened, and that ate into the edge. All right, so that shows up in the profit factor too, which came in at 0.85. Anything under 1.0 means that the account lost more than it made over this run. All right, so the equity curve The equity curve also showed, that there was significant drawdown, right? Let's head back to the backtest result here. We can see that the equity drawdown was 14.04%. All right, over 14%, and the sharp ratio is negative 2.39, which reflects that inconsistency between win rate and payout size. Now, on the trade management side, holding times were short, okay, averaging around 11 minutes per position, with the longest trade lasting a little over 7 hours. All right, so that is consistent with a system reacting quickly to short-term volatility rather than holding for larger directional moves. All right, now I want to be upfront that historical testing like this is only one part of evaluating an EA. It reflects one broker, one time window, and one set of settings. And none of that guarantees how it performs going forward. Okay. Results here could shift with different lot sizing, risk settings, broker execution, or spread conditions. And this system is explicitly built to adapt over time. So a different testing window could look noticeably different. I am going to recommend running your own longer term test across multiple market conditions before drawing any real conclusions. Okay, so now, based purely on what we have observed so far, this looks like it could interest traders drawn to a high win rate, short holding period approach on gold. All right. Also, as we look at the trade history, you will notice that the EA actually targets short-term price movement. You will see that most of the trades, if not all of them, they are executed and closed within the same candle, and you would see executed and closed within the same candle, and the difference, you know the distance between the entry and exit, doesn't seem to be so much. All right. Okay, but remember that win rate alone does not tell the full story of an expert advisor, since the losing trades in this case outweighed the gains. All right, so no expert advisor works for every trader or every account. So it is very important that you test it thoroughly on a demo account first before considering anything beyond that. So now, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.